So I was asked to look at the wiring for my 828D John Deere snowblower for the headlight, because someone else wants to put one onto theirs. So here we go. It's not going to be much, but I'll show you what's going on. Okay, where are we? Alright. So that's the back side of the headlight. Under all the plastic. So it's got a black and a green, and it goes down into the tubing here. Basically it follows the framework. And it ends up going inside the pulley box, or no, not inside it, but just behind the pulley box. It looks like it ends up on the back side of the solenoid. And I'm not about to tear it apart to look. So I hope that's enough for you.